All right, guys, so we're back here with another episode of See It Here First. Charlie, tell me a little bit about your food trailer. The design came out amazing. I love what you did. I love how you put the food on your wrap. I talk about this quite a bit. Can you explain, first of all, I want you to explain to everybody what your name means. I thought it was unique. I thought it was a good thing to learn. Explain to us, what does it mean?
The Hunan means that's like a Chinese spice and a bold and flavorful Chinese spice. And masala is like an Indian spice blend.
So it's a mixture of both cultures.
It's a mixture of both culture and the traditional spice.
Why'd you go with the Chinese culture?
So I wanted to go with the Chinese culture because growing up since childhood, the Indo Chinese was my favorite food. So I just wanted to bring that flavor food to the people of Vegas.
Awesome. Okay, cool. All right, guys, so check this out. Again, one of the things I'm always talking about, putting your food on the wrap really showcases exactly what you're gonna sell. It makes it a lot easier for people to understand, especially when you're new in this business. Let's go over your design. Can you explain to me why you picked the colors? Why'd you pick the designs? Why'd you pick those plates? Just kind of give me a little rundown of your entire wrap.
Yeah, so we just picked the orange color because it represents the Indian culture and tradition.
Okay.
And then at the same time, we did the red color. It represents the Chinese tradition.
Got it. So you have the orange and the red.
So we have the orange and the red combination.
Perfect.
And then we just put the logo of the food truck. The bottom one is a lotus.
Okay.
In the same time, it's a bowl too. It represents the Indian culture.
Got it.
And then the chopsticks represent the Chinese culture. At the same time, it looks like a bowl with a chopstick.
I love it, man.
And behind that, it's like a lotus with a chopstick.
What a great mixture. So that's your logo. That's beautiful. That's perfect. I love the logo too. I love the name. The slogan right here, Taste of China with Indian drama, guys. That's amazing. I love it. Okay, what about over here? Why'd you end up choosing that plate?
We just ended up choosing that plate because that's my favorite plate too.
Okay, cool.
It's called like paneer chili, and you can also, it's like a tofu chili too.
And not only that, but you also did a really good job by utilizing the propane tank cage. The QR code right here, perfect. It doesn't mess with the entire trailer. So very, very good job. If we go over here to the entrance, when you're driving and people are driving right behind him, check that out. He's got the QR code if you want to book it for an event. He utilized the entire wrap perfectly. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Don't waste space, don't overdo it. Just showcase a couple of your food items. Get people looking at your trailer, wanting to try your food. And again, give them the ease of just being able to scan your QR code, taking it to either your website, your menus, or anything that just makes it easy to follow you. All right, guys, so my favorite part, let's go inside and let's see what Charlie's gonna make for us. All right, Charlie, so tell me, man, what's your best seller, man? Which was the number one thing that you make?
So our best seller is like a tikka masala bowl.
Okay.
It's a combination of a chicken with the tikka masala sauce and with the white rice.
Okay,
so
cool.
let me make that for you, and so you can tell me how it tastes
Awesome.
like it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so the rice goes first.
Okay.
So we'll do half and half. Half side rice, and then half side we'll put the curry, and then we'll put chicken and stuff. So rice, and then we'll put whichever protein.
Okay.
So we do paneer and we do chicken. So we are making the chicken tikka masala bowl today.
Awesome. Gotta have the protein, man.
Traditional tikka masala sauce.
All right.
So we'll just put the sauce on top of the protein, so that way you can get the right flavors.
Oh, wow. Okay. Man, this is probably one of my favorite plates right here.
Let me some garnish up with some cilantro.
Okay, top it off.
There we go. You can try.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie.
Tikka masala bowl.
This is my favorite part. I actually already tried this plate the very first day before he even started this, so I already know his food is good. So this is one of my favorite plates. It's probably why you made it for me, didn't you? Ooh, that's hot. Look at that. Fresh. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. And you don't make it super spicy. That's my favorite thing. I like spice and not super spicy.
Yeah,
sometimes you can't even enjoy the food.
Level. Yeah, we can customize.
What kind of levels do you have? Because I know there's different levels, right?
Yeah, we go like from regular mild to Indian hot.
Indian hot.
Yes, we can do Indian hot.
Indian hot is hot.
Yeah, Indian hot is hot.
So then you do have that option.
We do have that option.
All right, guys, you heard it from him. He's got that option. So if you guys dare to try it, go for it. This is incredible. Wow. All right, man. So that was delicious. So I just had the Indian part of the of your food. Okay. Now we're gonna do the Chinese part. Okay. So what is that? What plate is that? What is it called?
So we are gonna make chicken fried rice.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So
chicken fried rice.
Let's make the chicken fried rice for you.
Perfect. Let's do it, man. So let me ask you, why did you start cooking, or let's start off with like, what made you start cooking?
So I really had a passion for cooking since I was 25.
25, okay.
Yes, and I started cooking from my home kitchen.
Okay.
I was just experimenting like how it's gonna be, and I was just mixing flavors and stuff. And then I was really good at making fusion flavors. I turned my passion into cooking.
Wow, now he's awesome. And now you're making a living out of it.
Yeah.
Did you know that you were going to get into the food trailer industry? Or did you imagine something different? Did you never think about it? Was the opportunity maybe available because of my rental program? You don't have to lie. You can tell the truth.
No,
What do you think?
I used to own a restaurant.
Okay.
And then I had like 2 years experience running restaurants.
Okay.
Brick and mortar.
Okay.
So I said, let me just try something different.
Okay.
Because brick and mortar, I just have to stay at one place. And then like food truck is mobile, I can reach to people.
Yes,
If
yes, yes.
people cannot reach me, I can just reach them.
Okay.
And they can try the bold, flavorful fusion.
That's awesome. I love that. A lot of restaurants actually end up doing that. They end up getting a food truck because they're able to go out to the customer. They're able to go to the customer, you know, at events, where there's a private event, things like that. So it's a really good thing. I'm happy to hear that. That makes me happy, actually.
Yeah.
That's really, really cool.
So I just wanted to reach people with my flavorful
That's
fusion
awesome.
flavors. So that way they can try the two traditional food together.
And again, so is Indian, is it because of your culture, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now why Chinese? Explain, like, why did you decide Chinese and not something else?
So Chinese is like growing up, we used to eat like this kind of food back,
Home?
and then we used to eat like, so they called it like Chinese.
Okay.
So it's like Indo Chinese mix of two flavors
Ah,
because
okay,
of the
okay.
ginger garlicky and the bold flavorful fiery fusion flavors.
So it was very easy to mix it together.
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
gotcha. Did you ever try any other kind of culture food, or did you just stick to those two? You have?
So I already had experience in Indo-Mexican fusion.
Ah, okay.
That's where I used to own the restaurant.
Uh-huh.
So I already have fusion flavors for Indo-Mexican food.
Ah, okay. Now, do you plan on adding that later on, or is it maybe just stick to this right now?
Yes, I can add that later on.
Okay.
Once I'm up and running with this, so people can try like two different flavors,
That's
food and
awesome.
stuff. Yeah.
And I usually recommend that. I usually tell a lot of people to not add so much at once. Stick to the few things that already work. Matt, well, guys, I wish you guys can smell this. It smells delicious already. Okay, but again, I always recommend people to just kind of keep their menu short, not so much. Sometimes it's not even worth adding a bunch of things because then your cost ends up going really, really high, okay? If it's very little, if it's a very little change, then I think it's worth it. Maybe you could even try it out as a specialty. It's funny because I usually try and eat pretty healthy all week long, and my food is just plain. But man, with all these spices, I might have to start changing it up.
Put some chicken.
Chicken in there, guys. Here's the Indian part of it, guys. Here's the Indian part.
So now we'll just mix it up and give it a try, give it a toss.
So what is this specific plate called?
This is called Chinese fried rice, Indo Chinese fried rice.
Indo Chinese fried rice. So if somebody were to order this, that's what they ask for, Indo Chinese fried rice.
Yeah, they can do Szechuan fried rice or just chicken fried rice.
Okay. And now what kind of spice does this one have? Like, is it really spicy?
This one is medium spice, yes.
Okay.
We can customize the spice level too.
Okay.
Depending on how spicy you can handle.
He's not joking. The
Yeah.
spice is out. Wow. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Look at those skills right there, man. Good for you. And you make it very quick also, which is like, that's very, very good. There's some people who, when they're cooking and they're doing these things, they take a long time. This seems like it's a fresh plate and you made it very, very quick. I think that was like, what, less than 3 minutes?
Yeah.
So that's big. That's really big. Good job,
because
man.
I already have like everything set up.
Yeah.
So it's easy to just mix
Just
it up and
get
just
going.
toss it up and get going. Yeah.
Wow. I think that's one of the big things, guys. One of the things that I'm always talking about is getting plates out fast. Again, I know it depends on the type of food that you sell and stuff like that, but again, like he was just saying, he had everything prepped and ready to go. That's very, very big. People do not like to wait a long time just to get a plate. You want to keep it, I mean, realistically, 3 minutes and down to get your plate. If it has to be 5, it ends up adding up. So again, guys, if you guys can make it fast, I highly recommend it. People would love it. A lot of people are gonna come see you. They're gonna know that when they come and see you, that they're gonna get their plate right away. Especially if people are only have a 30-minute lunchtime, it's important that they get their food immediately. That way they have, they have enough time to get their food, eat their food, enjoy it. Especially if you have this good food.
Then
All
let's
right, guys.
try the
Look at the look of this.
fried rice.
Indo
Chinese chicken,
Indo
chicken fried
Chinese
rice.
chicken fried rice. All right, guys. Let's see how spicy this thing is. Whew.
It's gonna be okay. You can handle that spice.
Okay, yeah. Not too spicy. So you're
How's
saying
the flavor coming up?
the flavor's incredible, the rice is good, everything is good. The chicken was phenomenal. I could already tell from the last plate. I don't think it's spicy at all, so that's pretty good. You would call this a medium?
Yeah, we can call
Medium?
spicy.
Okay, medium. I love the presentation, guys. Look at all this right here. It looks good. It doesn't look like, you know, like you just threw a bunch of stuff together. It actually looks really good. It tastes really good. It's gonna be hard to decide between this one and the other one, which would be my favorite, but I love it, man. It tastes delicious. Awesome. Good job, man. Good job. Well, I highly recommend you guys try them yourselves. What else do you have to offer?
So we do have a vegetable samosa. We have chicken wings.
Okay.
We have two kinds of chicken wings. One's like spicy garlic. That's the Chinese one.
Okay.
And then we have a tikka masala. That's
You
Indian
gotta
flavor.
have the Indian one.
Yes,
Okay,
you
cool,
gotta have
cool.
you gotta have Indian one.
That's
and
awesome,
then we
man.
do masala fries. There's like Indian spice chopped with the masalas on the French fries. You gotta try that. And then we also have a kids nuggets and fries for kids too.
Oh, okay. So a little kids menu.
Kids menu. We do have kids menu
Fries. So Indian fries, is that what you call them?
too. It's just a regular fries for kids, but for the regular menu we can do masala fries.
Masala fries.
Yes.
Oh, wow, I gotta try that.
Yeah, you
So
gotta try
I
that.
definitely have to find you and try that because that sounds really good.
Yes, and we also have the vegetable Manchurian.
Okay.
It's like a cauliflower balls, a cabbage balls, tossed in the same Indo Chinese sauce.
Okay,
You gotta
okay.
try that too. Once
Awesome.
we are up and running, you can try that too.
All right, cool, guys. So look, he's just getting started. He just opened up. I can't wait to try the rest of his menu, guys. We have to find him. So we are gonna put his handle here on the screen or down below. And guys, you have to follow him, see what he cooks, see what he has to offer. He's gonna continue making more and more things. And again, guys, I highly recommend you try out his food. Charlie, is there anything else you wanna share?
Let's see, just come and try it, try Indo Chinese flavor,
Yeah.
and then just support us and then let us know how we're doing.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
brother.
much.
Okay,
Thank you so much,
thank you.
Jonathan.
What an amazing time. I love it. Now I get to eat the rest of the plates. All right, Charlie. Hey, thank you for coming, man. I really appreciate it, man. Take care, all right? Have a good one.